Hello world, Leon here, and this is how you create a Web3 hook workflow that says when I get a new transaction, add a new row. So here's a demo. This will listen to any transactions coming from or to this address. So we're going to send funds out, and as soon as that happens, it will populate a row here. So let's send some funds. 0.0123, we're going to send. Confirm. And we're going to check on the Block Explorer. So we're going to go to View on Block Explorer. So let's verify the values. The from address is DA0, DA0. To address is 0AF, 0AF. Value, this is in the smallest unit in way. This looks good. And the hash is C87, C87. Looks good. So let's get started. First thing is go to web3hook.com, sign up or sign in. I'm going to sign in. Sign in with Google or GitHub. Once I'm signed in, I should have an API key. We're going to use this in a bit. We have some credits being used, and it's the free version. So now that I have the API key, I can start building. Click on Start Building, and it'll ask you to integrate with Zap. Next, I'm going to create a new Zap. And in here, I'm going to search Web3 Hook. Next, I'm going to choose the events that I want to listen to. It can either be events or transactions. I'll listen to transactions. And connect. So when I click sign in, there's going to be a pop-up. This pop-up will ask for an API key. So let's get this from the previous tab. So I'm going to copy this API key. And continue. Continue. Next, I'm going to choose the blockchain. I'll use testnet Gurley and the address. So this address can either be a smart contract or a user wallet. I'm going to use a user wallet. I'll copy this address here. And this basically means any transactions from or to this address will get picked up and trigger an event. Hit continue. And it should give you some dummy data. So normally this will give you a transaction hash from address to address, so on and so forth. This looks good. I'll continue. Next, I'm going to connect to a Google Sheet. So Google Sheets. And I have a Google Sheet here ready to go. Has 4 columns from, to, value, and hash. We're going to connect to this. I'm going to add a new row. Sign in. Select the drive, Google Drive. Next is the spreadsheet, Web3 Hook demo, and the worksheet, transaction, which is down here. Now we can connect these columns to this row here. So first is the from address, from address, to address, value, and the transaction hash. You can add in more information, but we'll keep this as is. Continue. And we can test action. Now this will populate it with some dummy data to make sure that it all works. Okay, this looks good. Now I'm going to publish this. and the action's ready to go. So now I can send a transaction. Zero point 0.0123. Confirm. View on the block explorer. And this row should get populated. And that's how you do it. Thank you.